Sakal Gunar Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Remembering Lord Krishna and his well-wishes, benefactions, intimate familial relations and his chariot driving, Arjun, overwhelmed and breathing very heavily, began to speak. The Supreme Living Being is perfect in all relations with his pure devotee. Sri Arjun is one of the typical pure devotees of the Lord, reciprocating in the fraternal relationship, and the Lord's dealings with Arjun are displays of friendship of the highest perfect order. He was not only a well-wisher of Arjun, but actually a benefactor. And to make it still more perfect, the Lord tied him into a family relationship by arranging Subhadra's marriage with him. And above all, the Lord agreed to become a chariot driver of Arjun in order to protect his friend from warfare risks. And the Lord became actually happy when he established the Pandavas to rule over the world. Arjun remembered all these one after another, and thus he became overwhelmed with such thoughts.